Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I worked at IRS 10 long years. I am on the national scene. I've been in about 10 major news stations, Fox a couple times, ABC, NBC, CBS, News Nation, Newsmax. So yeah, I'm well traveled. I work for IRS, so the things I'm telling you are the truth. I used to work the offer and compromise program at IRS. I both accepted and deny offers, and we're a firm are experts in offers and compromise. We don't do really any selling. We're just really tell you more facts here. Just want to tell you the biggest trip up on the IRS offer and compromise. We are experts, so we've been working at IRS. Mr. Salinger at our office has worked over 3,500 offers for IRS. We can tell you what flies and what doesn't. The thing that trips everybody up, most people, and everyone, just never should say everyone. The thing that trips most people up is the IRS national standards. People file their offers and they're doing well, and their assets, they have their assets, and IRS is going to take the value of those. But when it comes to expenses, boom, that's when IRS kind of nails you, because what most people do not know is that IRS has what's called their national standard expenses. That is, the expenses you put down on your financial statement aren't going to be the expenses IRS is going to allow. IRS is going to look to the national standard expenses. What are those? The Department of Labor has come up for all the government agencies what it costs to live. And matter of fact, the bankruptcy court uses what it live in every county in the United States. They're called the national standards for IRS purposes. You can look them up yourself. IRS national standards for food and clothing. IRS national standards for housing and utilities, for car payments and car expenses. IRS throws yours out and puts yours in, and it creates a whole different scenario for the offer, because now you will find out you have more money left to pay IRS than you thought that you had these expenses that IRS would allow. It's a game changer. So do not file an offer and compromise by yourself unless you know what the national standards are. And if you are and you owe a sizable amount of money, do not file the offer by yourself. The chances of you getting through are really slim to none. IRS may offer and compromise so difficult. They really have. Only a third of all people that file it get accepted. Only 13,000 people in the United States. So they are tough to get through. If you don't owe a lot of money, probably chances are do it yourself. You got a good shot. But if you owe a lot, be really careful. That's what I have to tell you. Be careful of the national standards. Thank you for listening. Give me a share. Give me a subscription. That'd be really good to like. We like them all. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your time. You always know the truth, and when you call me, you always speak to me. Thank you.